Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to add a live whiteboard drawing editor inside your VS Code. So while you write the source code, you can even add a visual drawing board whiteboard inside your VS Code. So this is actually the extension. Simply go to the extension tab and simply type here whiteboard, and this will be the second extension which comes. It's almost got about 200,000 installs. So once you install this, you will actually, if you now write the code here, you will see this option appearing, I think, at the status bar. Or you can open your command palette and just type here live share whiteboard, and you will see this option open whiteboard. Go to command palette, just type live share whiteboard. So now as you click this, the whiteboard will open here. So it's an experimental extension. So it can work or it cannot work. This is the way by which you can open it. You can see command palette and just type here live share. You need to first of all sign in for this extension to work. So we are signing it with your GitHub account, or you can use your Microsoft account. So once you sign in, authorize this. Just wait. Just need to sign in. After you sign in, you need to open the VS Code. So this is the extension. You can even try this on your own PC as well. It's experimental extension. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.